Tatanong if INC ba kami. No, I'm not. So, I can eat dinuguan.
Sobrang saya kahit sobrang daming problema. Kita niyo yung mga yan? Pwedeng inumin niya mga yan. Kaya lang, dapat may pang-hospital ka kasi madumi. So, syempre, hindi pa tapos yung mukbang na to at hindi pa nauubos to kasi usually, ang mga mukbang kasi daw tinatapos yung pagkain, no? Tapos, di tapusin natin. So, doon sa mga nangangarap dyan, katulad ko, huwag kayo tumigil mangarap. Kasi, kung hindi kayo mangangarap na mangangarap, hindi matutupad yung mga pangarap nyo hanggat hindi nyo binubuo sa utak nyo kung paano itutuparin yung pangarap ninyo. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung hindi kayo matalino, kung hindi, ako, inamin ko, hindi naman ako matalino, pero sa buhay, kailangan maging, Penoy baloy! Baloy! Pero ang gusto ko talaga sabihin sa inyo is wag na wag kayong sumukong mangarap. Wag na wag kayong sumuko na tuparin yung mga pangarap ninyo. Kasi kung hindi kayo magsusumikap sa buhay, wala kayong mararating tulad nito. Kuya! Hi ka sa vlog ko. Hello! Yan kuya, sikat ka na! Tapos, okay na, tapos na ang ating mukbang. Let's get into how to become a successful YouTuber or how to be a good YouTuber. So without further ado, let's get started! So hi everyone, this is me, Buknoy Glamour, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'll be discussing you on how to be a successful YouTuber or on how to be a good YouTuber. And I am going also to discuss you what is the perks of being an social media influencer or being in a social media influencer or how to be a perfect YouTuber. Not that perfect, but let's get started. So before you watch, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell button to get you notified every day tuloy, on every time I upload my videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, which is description box below. So before we do that, let's get started. So first of all, gumawa ka ng YouTube channel mo. And kailangan pag-isipan mo na mabuti kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo or kung tama ba yung sinusundan mong. So, hindi ko muna pala i-vlog yung on how to be a YouTuber, on how to start a YouTube channel kasi next content ko na yun. Next vlog ko na lang yun. So, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you want more, just don't forget to subscribe. And